Alright guys, welcome to Luo Folko. Madam has just bought for us breakfast here and I'm with my friend Bagungu. Just chilling at home. It's a weekend, the environment. Many people are not used to this kind of background, blaster clothes, but yes, we love it so much. It's part of the folklore, it's part of the culture. Now today, I would like to talk about something brief. We all know the Acholi cultural events. We all know the Lao cultural festival that always happen annually. There's an issue that many people discuss. The cultural event in Luo, even for the Karamoja, the Acholi, the Lao, Jopadhola, and the rest, they are happening annually, but they are not rotational. They are not rotational in the sense that most of the time they happen in only one place. For the Acholi, it mostly happen in Guru. Yes, it is good for the event to happen in a big place, but we have a lot of places in Acholi, in Lao, in Jopadhola, in Alur, and other Luo places, even in South Sudan, like in Wenkibul, in those hands of Equatoria, even in Kenya. We have those areas which are developing. To highlight a number of places which are already developing for Acholi, for example, we have Batoro Town Council, where we are right now. Don't mind about that background. This is far away from the township of Batoro. We have places like, Kitgum. Kitgum is already a city. Just a matter of putting the status and everything will be okay. Then we have places like Pade. You cannot ignore Pade. There is a Kalao Town Council. We have places like we have Pakwaj. We have Noya. Very many other places. If we go to Lao, we can find places like Leptong, Kayara City, near here. We need to start rotating our cultural event just like other people are doing. For example, the Karamoja. What are the benefits that rotation will bring to us? One, there will be rotation of finance or the fund. The money that people spend as tourists or as people who come to watch each kind of event is not a small amount of money. And once it is redistributed by rotating the event, if this year it has happened in Guru, let it be next time in Agagu district, then next time maybe in Pade, another time in Lamu. That's one benefit, rotation of the fund. Secondly, there is rotation of tourists. Of course, we will have local tourists. Me personally, you is watching me, even the person behind the camera, we will become tourists. It is very nice for me to go and watch how my guys in Guru do their things. When we go there, we'll be there in Acholi free zone, like that. And even if a chance to go for the one of Langi, to go be in Lira, places like Aleppo and the rest. So that should also be a mindset that our brothers and sisters in Gulu should also come to us and see how home is doing and give us advice. We chat together, we chill together, we find time to play amateur football. Those who like pool table, you come to Bamboo Nest, you enjoy it. Hotels like Toby Hotel, you enjoy it. And things move on. Even the politicians, they will meet each other. When you come here, you will meet our LC1s. Not only us meeting your LC1 every time. Come here and meet our LC1 and see how they are doing in English. Then also, another benefit is exposure of issues, both good ones and bad ones. There are some other issues here. You find leaders, politically and civil leaders, are mismanaging funds. So you will see them critically that our hospitals, you will tour them, you will inspect them, you find certain things lacking. that will expose. And also you will find the roads are not being managed well. There are a lot of potholes on the roads, and you also feel our problem that we're still using tarmac while we're still using maram roads while you're using tarmac. So that you evaluate yourself, and also know why the names of some of our leaders are not sounding. So there are just a lot more benefits of rotating the cultural events, just like other people have started. First of all, it is show unity. You know, for boys who are looking for ladies, they get time also to interact, get to Lamore. The mindset should be from Lamore to Lamore, from Lamore to Nuaya, from Nuaya to Agago, from Agago to Kid, like that. Then for now, a left tongue to Yam to Lira to Adu to Apache. For Alur, sometimes even if we get enough money, why not take the cultural event to Winky Bull in South Sudan? And our brothers in South Sudan enjoy. Why not take it to those of Jaramogi in Kenya? And those of Raila Odinga will come for the event. So, in summary, the K Kwar or Acholi, the Munyashi of Lao, and all other cultural institutions of the world, Jopadhola, the Dodoth, all those people, please, let's start rotating the cultural event annually. Making it being hosted in only one place is not okay. Let's rotate it, let's spread the culture, let's ignite the love that you as our cultural elders enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it if it has made sense to you. You can also share to your friends, and also hit that subscribe button so that next time you find the notification of my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Come dance la kubu kubu, I'm so Uganda kubu kubu. Come dance la kubu kubu, I'm so Uganda kubu kubu. Come dance la kubu kubu, I'm so Uganda kubu kubu. Come dance la kubu kubu, I'm so Uganda.